Hi everyone, here's a Lego classic one here. I've got this yesterday and it's actually got a book here and two packs inside. The box looked very small, but there's two packets of Lego blocks in here. I think it's really well worth it when I compare to the figures I got for 1,000 rupees for just one figure. And this has so many parts inside. As you can see, we can make something by looking at the book for the kids, and all these things you can make using these blocks. So the difference between the Lego Classics and the other one, which I'm not actually sure about, is that Lego Classics you can use it to make anything you want. It's not a specific pattern or anything. You just can use it to build. It's like building blocks. But the other one that doesn't have the classic here is used only to make the particular item shown on the box. So this was a good investment I did recently, and I'll give you a sneak peek into what's inside the book. Excuse the flaps. See, they give you the step-by-step instructions as to how to build it, so the kids can just look at the book and learn how to do things. Especially my son is like 5 years old and one is 2, so I think it will be very useful. And this is all in blue color because it's the blue creativity box. They have the pink one for girls as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and it will help you decide what to buy for your kid. See you next time.